Hello everyone. In this series of videos, we are going to discuss about use of financial accounting hub in the context of average daily balancing. So as we all know that mostly the financial organizations such as bank, uh, they have to maintain average daily balance. That's a statutory requirement as per the government regulation. And whenever we have in short, we call it ADB. So whenever we have up to maintain the average daily balancing, we need to enable the ADB feature in our general ledger at the ledger level. So if the transactions are happening, the journals are getting created in Oracle itself, then no problem. ADB is well maintained. We face many a times we face problem related to ADB when we have to migrate the journals. We have to integrate another system which creates the transactions and the journal, which is not in Fusion or which is not in Oracle environment. So what is the problem we face in those cases? If we integrate the system and we get the journals on daily basis, no problem as far as ADB is concerned. The problem comes when the system, the source system, cannot, due to any reason, cannot send the journal every day on the daily basis. And so system is like that. On monthly basis, they will send the journal, the month end balances to Oracle, Fusion GL, and centralized reporting will happen from the Oracle. In those cases, if we have ADB implemented, the balances goes for toss. How that happens, that I will explain. So this is the right now I'm establishing the problem. So that is one scenario where system, we have system which can send monthly balances but not daily balances. In that case, if our ledger has average daily balancing on, there will be a problem in reporting. Another case, another scenario, it is related to migration. Let us say that we are going live and we have ADB on in our ledger in Fusion, and we are going live in between of the fiscal year. In between means anything except 01 January. In that case also, ADB will go for toss. I will just briefly explain how I'm saying that it will go for toss. How does that happen? Why I'm saying that? Assume that the system from where we are going to get journal, either on monthly basis or as a going live migration. Assume that there the balance on 31st January is something like this. Closing balance is this. And since we have ADB, so in the source system, the monthly ADB is, let us say, 6,000. Now, if we import this journal, this balance to Oracle, then it will be imported to Oracle like this. Closing balance will be correct, no problem. But when we import only this balance, one thing, we cannot import ADB in Fusion or in Oracle. That feature is not there. So we will import only 31,000. When we do that import as on 31st of January, system in Oracle will calculate the monthly ADB, quarterly ADB, and yearly ADB. If we import 31,000 as the closing balance, monthly ADB will be calculated at 1,000. But we can see the monthly ADB in source system, it is 6,000. And that is why I say that in these cases, if we import only the month-end balances, it will be a problem. Now, what is the solution? In the solution, I hope I could explain the problem statement. What is the business problem? I think we have some solution. I could find something. We can do something for this to resolve this problem with help of financial accounting hub. Be it be EVs or be it be Fusion, does not matter. And that is what I want to share with everyone here. So I have broken up the agenda in these three different points. To maintain the continuity, I will have to explain ADV calculation. So those who already knows it, they can skip this section. What is the implementation problem or challenge? I briefly explained it here, but when I explain the ADV calculation in example, I will explain the problem in the context of the example in Excel, what I have shown in the ADV as a ADV calculation. So that's what we will explain in implementation problem and challenge. And then solution. What is the solution for that? So these are the three different agenda points what we have. So let us start with ADV calculation. And so I would like to break the series of videos in three further videos, three different sections. In the next video, I will discuss the ADV calculation. After that, further next, I will discuss the implementation problem and challenge, and then solution. So that is how this series of videos will be organized. Thanks a lot for watching. Please watch my next video for ADV calculation. Thanks a lot.